Eggplant is believed to have originated in India, where it continues to grow wild. It has been cultivated in southern and eastern Asia since prehistory. The numerous Arabic and North African names for it, along with the lack of the ancient Greek and Roman names, indicate it was grown throughout the Mediterranean area by the Arabs in the early Middle Ages, who introduced it to Spain in the 8th century. An outstanding variety in many aspects, Annina is early, exceptionally pretty, tastes great, and has low seed count, and the plants are nearly spineless. Annina's slightly curved, extended teardrop shape is covered with purple and lavender streaks with emanations of ivory and light pink. From the 1.5 pound 5-inch baby size to the 1.5 pound 8-inch premiums, the glossy, gorgeous skin and cream white flesh are irresistible. It keeps well at room temperature too. Eggplants need a warm soil and night temperature to prosper. Location should be sheltered from the wind and soil should be kept reasonably moist. Be sure to harden off the seedlings to reduce transplant stress. Harvest fruit early and often. The more you pick, the more you'll produce. Do not pull off fruit, rather cut from stems. Eggplant has many companion plants, but here are a few herbs. Oregano can help repel aphids, cabbage moths, and spider mites because it has a strong smell. It also attracts beneficial insects like bees and ladybugs. You should plant thyme to deter garden moths with its scent and protect your eggplant from aphids. French tarragon will draw away pests that would otherwise attack the eggplant and help improve the flavor of the eggplant. Eggplant is a source of vitamins and minerals. The vegetable provides manganese and small amounts of potassium, vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin B6, niacin, copper, and magnesium. People who regularly consume eggplant may take advantage of certain health benefits from the nutrients that it provides, such as fiber and phytonutrients.